Džesteraja, ovde Brzi
And I
AI.
have some important information I want to share with you.
Image generators and video avatars dominate current AI tutorials. However, the specific workflow required to build a complete end-to-end music production studio remains largely undocumented. In the next 6 minutes, we are going to take a raw AI-generated audio concept and process it into a fully packaged SEO-optimized single ready for Spotify and Apple Music. This relies on the Sovereign Architect OS, a React 19 workspace built on a microkernel pattern. Independent modules like Upload Deck operate without shared dependencies. Strict error boundaries contain AI failures, keeping the pipeline stable. This ecosystem matches the output speed of a specialized music department. Step 1 is generating our base audio, which we will do through the Suno web interface. Standard prompts like "make a sad pop song" often yield flat audio files. These lack the structural cues needed for a professional release, giving the AI too much room to ignore song dynamics. We solve this using structural meta tags. Commands in brackets, like bass pulse or ancient choir, instruct the AI to build distinct song sections. Combining these with keywords like ritual trap 110 BPM provides the exact mathematical constraints to hit the target vibe. Once you hit generate and the track renders, download the raw audio file to your local machine. If the audio isn't structured correctly here, the metadata extraction tools won't have the clear boundaries they need, causing the automated pipeline to completely break. Now we open the Sovereign Architect dashboard and navigate to the Upload Deck module. Take that Suno audio file and drag it directly into the Upload Deck drop zone. The system now begins decoding the raw PCM audio at a 24 kHz standard. PCM, or pulse code modulation, is a method used to digitally represent sampled analog signals, ensuring the AI reads a consistent data format. Check your environment variables now. If your .env file is missing the Google Gemini API keys, the system will revert to simulated fallback data instead of the live AI. Once the keys are confirmed, click Analyze Track. This sends the audio data directly to the Gemini 3.1 Pro engine. The AI processes the audio structure and streams the results back. It automatically populates the track title, genre, vibe, and an SEO-friendly description. If the connection drops during this analysis, the microkernel pattern ensures the error is contained. Only the Upload Deck will show a failure state, preventing a full application crash. Extracting metadata directly via Gemini 3.1 Pro removes the need for manual categorization and ensures the tags align with search parameters used by distribution algorithms. Next, we click the Generate Art button to begin the visual phase. The system uses the previously generated metadata as context to render the cover art via the Gemini 3.1 Flash model. The final image then populates the UI, appearing alongside the audio waveform in the dashboard. Click Commit to Database to finalize the package. Firebase Auth verifies your credentials. Then the audio, art, and metadata are synced to Supabase PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is an advanced relational database system that handles the persistent storage of your assets. If you are also exporting WebGL visualizers, ensure Preserve Drawing Buffer is set to true. WebGL is the API used for rendering interactive 3D and 2D graphics. Without this setting, the video recorder will often capture empty black frames. Finally, the system packages these assets into a zip folder and downloads it to your drive. This local-to-cloud hybrid sync provides a persistent backup while preparing a localized folder ready for immediate industry distribution. Open the downloaded zip package on your computer. Inside is the high-res cover art, the formatted audio file, and the text file containing your SEO metadata. You can upload these files directly to DistroKid right now. The formatting and tagging are already complete, meeting the requirements for a 24-hour global release. In our next session, we will take this distributed track and use Veo 3.1 and CapCut to generate a faceless viral short for promotion. Automating the metadata, art generation, and formatting removes the manual friction that typically limits a creator's release frequency. Subscribe to follow the next phase of this automation pipeline.
Welcome Welcome to transformation into beast.
Pora što reći. Pete X T-Rex, pete T-Rex, glavni boss, sene boss, sene boss.
Bit se povlači, vokalni stutter, rising noise mi savija. Zječenice ko reflektori, love svaki pomak. Heavy bass, hit pupil dilation, nije šala. Forman shifting, vocals in my brain. Phantom 19K, pleasure.
Feeding kroz žice. She says she loves me but her loves and bites. Kad sam s tobom gram nas leva.
Why reality exit corrupts around her.
Pure sonic witchcraft.
If this helped, subscribe. It tells me to make more of these, and it massively supports the channel.
Ako želiš AI trikove i brutalne šorce, ostani sad. Zaprati Brzi Arzi, znači mi i pomaže da pravim još jače.